The Torah tells us, "V'haya ki yoimru aleichem b'neichem ma avodah zeis lachem." What is this avodah that you're doing? And HAGADA tells us, which son is that? The Rasha. That's the line of the Ben Drusha. So the Klosenberger Rebbe asks, "V'haya is a lashon of simcha. V'haya ki yoimru aleichem b'neichem." You have a Rasha that's talking to you. You have a kid in your house that's a Rasha. So why are you so happy? V'haya is a lashon simcha. So he asks, what are you so happy about? Says the Klosenberger Rebbe, if he's talking to you, ki yoimru aleichem, you have dialogue with him, he's talking to you, v'haya it's a lashon of simcha. You should already be happy. We have kids, I don't think they're Risham, I actually never met a Rasha, and I find that they're in pain and they're tzaddikim and they prove themselves to us, but they're not doing the right thing right now. V'haya ki yoimru aleichem, you're talking to them, it's already a lashon of simcha.